Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So guys, as you know that Apple event is going to be happening this month, and the third generation of iPhone SE is slotted to kick off the Apple 2022 product launch. The new model will be replacing the current model which was released back in April 2022, and while it is likely to have the same design, some experts feel it will be coming with enhanced internal, and with these enhanced internals they will be enough to drive significant improvement. According to the recent report claims that the iPhone SE3 will be cheaper than its predecessor. But the question arises what the iPhone SE3 will be bringing to the table. Well, as far as the leaks is pointing out that it will be coming with an older design with a speedier chip and 5G connection. The current model only connect to 4G network and it is powered by A13 chipset developed in-house by Apple itself. The A15 Bionic chip will be powering the iPhone 13 family is expected to be powered by the 2022 SE3 model. Well, moving forward, we have another report. The iPhone SE3 will have a superior camera. In case if you are wondering, the 2022 model received the iPhone 11 12 megapixel main camera and the 7 megapixel front facing camera. It's unclear if the new SoC will get the iPhone 12 primary sensor or the iPhone 13 main camera. And one thing, don't anticipate the new device to appear any different than the iPhone SE2, which is built on the iPhone 8 and sports a 4.7-inch LCD panel with integrated Touch ID and a home button. According to the rumors, the phone will be redesigned next year, and I am talking about the notch, which we have heard in the reports. iPhone SE3 2022 will have the iPhone XR design and Apple A15 SoC and 5G connectivity, and everything of it looks extremely possible, which make the iPhone SE3 the most powerful budget device to get in 2022. When combined with how well the iOS 15 operating system is tuned up for its iPhone, so we can expect the iPhone SE will be having similar kind of performance. Anyhow, this budget iPhone SE3 will pose a significant challenge to the Android world because it will blow up the budget and mid-range sector by providing something that other low-cost phones cannot. Anyhow, it will have one of the best performance in terms of power, but also it will be having a software which is going to support for up to 4 years. Yes, as you already know, Apple devices tend to have 4 years of updates, so we can expect the iPhone SE3 will be having such kind of updated facility. Anyhow, moving on, according to the Investor Business Daily Stories and rumors, the iPhone SE3 could start at around $300, making it one of the less expensive than the current model, which costs you around $400. So guys, overall I think that this device will make a big threat to the Android side. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.